What's the meaning of break time? Break time. Break time.
Break time. Break time. Break time refers to a designated period of time during a workday where employees are allowed to temporarily disengage from their work duties. This time is usually unpaid and can range from a few minutes to an hour, depending on the company policy. The purpose of break time is to provide workers with a physical and mental break from their daily tasks, allowing them to recharge and return to their work refreshed and more productive. Breaks have been shown to improve employee morale, reduce stress and fatigue, and enhance overall job satisfaction. They are an important aspect of maintaining a healthy work-life balance and promoting employee well-being.